Ever wonder why some posts go viral and others are just meh? There's a reason for this. It's how you tell the story. Remember when Mr. Beast gave away a private island and the internet lost its mind? It was the way he told the story that got people so engaged. He built anticipation, he made the stakes high, and finally there was a huge payoff at the end. Whether you got the island or not, like most of us, there was a reason to watch, and he followed a simple formula. Researchers at MIT found that the most viral posts all have those same things in common. It's a quick hook, anticipation, making people feel something, and then creating a payoff in the end. If you want to do this, follow the same format. Grab people's attention. You have 3 seconds or less. Make them feel and offer a reward. And it doesn't have to be a big island. It can be something as simple as, hey, we offer free story coaching at Scout Stories. If you want to make your stories get the kind of attention they deserve, book a free coaching session with us today.